Hello everyone, today we are going to discuss about ITIL 4 foundation exam. This exam is specially designed for the professionals who are working in the IT industry. All the IT managers, team leads and all the professionals who are looking to enhance their career in the IT service management. So let's take a look at exam pattern of ITIL 4 foundation exam. So this exam is actually having 60-minute time duration and consists of 40 multiple choice questions where you need to score at least 65% to pass this exam. So that means you need to mark at least 26 questions correct out of 40 questions. So let's take a look at what type of questions may be asked in the ITIL foundation exam. Okay, so let's get started. So first question here is what is set of specialized organizational capabilities for enabling value for customers in the form of service. So you can take your time to mark the correct answer. And the correct answer here is service management. You can read the explanation here. As service management refers to a set of specialized organizational capabilities that aims to enable value for customers through services. It encompasses the processes, practices, and roles required to manage and deliver services effectively. The primary focus is to ensure that services meet customer needs and create value for both the customer and the service provider. So the correct answer here is service management. So let's move to next question. So next question is which of the following gives user access to a system? You can take your time to mark the correct answer and then I will reveal the correct answer. So correct answer for this question is service consumption. You can read the explanation. Service consumption refers to the action performed by a user to utilize the services made available by a service provider. This can include accessing a system, using a resource, or interacting with services to derive value. It's one of the key elements in the ITL framework that describes how users engage with the services. So correct answer is C, which is service consumption. So let's move on to the next question. So next question here is which statement about managing incidents is correct? So our options are low impact incidents should be resolved efficiently, making logging unnecessary. So you can read all the options and mark the correct answer, and then I will reveal the correct answer. The correct answer here is option number C, that which states that low impact incidents should be resolved efficiently so that resource required is reduced. So you can read the explanation here and we will move on to the next question. So next question is what describes how components and activities work together to facilitate value creation. So you can read all the options here and the correct answer here is ITIL service value system. So the ITIL service value system describes how components and activities work together to facilitate value creation. So your correct answer is ITIL service value system. You can read the explanation we provided here. The next question is which ITIL practice recommends performing service reviews to ensure that services continue to meet the needs of the organization? So there are all the four options stated here: service desk, service request management, service level management, and service configuration management. So you can take your time to mark the correct answer. And the correct answer here is service level management, which is option number C. So why actually service level management is the answer? You can read it. Service level management is the ITL practice that focuses on managing and delivering services in line with organizational goals. It emphasizes regular service reviews with stakeholders to ensure that services consistently meet the evolving needs of the organization. These reviews assess current service levels, identify gaps, and plan improvements. So next question is what is the recommendation of the guiding principle think and work holistically? So this is one of the guiding principle in the ITIL framework. So you can read the options and mark the correct answer and then I will reveal the correct answer. So correct answer for this question is option number D, which is saying Use the four dimensions of service management to ensure coordination of all aspects of an improvement initiative. So, the guiding principle, think and work holistically, emphasizes the importance of considering all aspects of service management to ensure seamless value creation. So, hence, option number D is correct. And then we will move on to the next question. So, next question is, what impact does automation have on service desk? So, you can read all the options here. So, you can take your time and mark the correct answer. Here, the correct answer is less low level work and greater ability to focus on user experience. That means when automation at service desks significantly reduces the amount of repetitive low level tasks such as basic ticket logging or password resets by automating this task. Service desk agents can focus their time and energy on higher value activities like improving the user experience, addressing complex incidents, and ensuring better customer satisfaction. So option number A is the correct here. Let's move on to the next question, which might be asked in the ITIL for foundation exam, which you are going to take in next upcoming weeks or month. So the question is, which is the result of applying the guiding principle, progress iteratively with feedback. So you can read all the four options stated here and choose the correct option. Then I will reveal the answer. The answer for this question is option number A, the ability to discover and respond to the failure earlier. So, guiding principle, progress iteratively with feedback, emphasizes the importance of dividing work into manageable steps, which is smaller steps or iterations, and using feedback at each stage to refine and adapt. So, this iterative approach enables team to uncover issues or failures early in the process. Addressing problems sooner prevents larger disruptions later and ensures continuous improvement. So, I think that is the correct answer, which is option number A. So, if you want to learn all the ITIL foundation concepts and pass the ITIL certification exam, we are going to offer 60% off on our ITIL foundation course on Udemy. So, you can see this is an ITIL foundation course which consists of all the concepts, and you can master IT service management with this course. So, discount coupon for this ITIL foundation course is available in the description. You can enroll for this course and you can pass the ITIL foundation exam in first attempt. That's all from our side. Thank you everyone. Thank you so much.